Good evening once again, everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 box break site, doing tonight's auction, Friday night auction. Rare for me. 11/12 Rookie Anthology. So it's August 2nd. We're now at 11:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll run through the teams. We'll give our 2 5+ team winners their scratch and win card. And then we'll choose our VIP team of the break. So our participants, we had Felix, Victoria, Linda, DJ Nell's mom, All for Kinds, Skeet 93, Bummer Boy, T-Voth 88. And that is everyone. Not many in the break tonight. So All for Kinds, DJ Nell's mom. Five plus teams, so we'll get you each your scratch and win. So we'll start with, we got Chuck and Aaron. So for All for Kinds, we're getting a Nashville Predator, Mike Fisher. Mike Fisher. Him and Carrie Underwood put their house up for sale, just not too far from us here. Gorgeous house. And for DJ Nell's mom, Aaron, your scratch and win player. From the Winnipeg Jets, Evander Kane. And both Aaron and Chuck, you guys will get another pack thrown of, what do we have here? 10-11 Series 1 thrown in to your next package. So VIP team for this break. So once again, that team receives a hit. Respective owner for that team gets a $12 bidding credit for future auctions or bins. So VIP team for this 11/12 Rookie Anthology break is the Edmonton Oilers. Bummer Boy. So Jack, we get a Oilers hit. You'll be happy with a $12 bidding credit. So our box number, as stated in the description, ends in 2396. So all the hits will be mailed out from this product. If you'd like any of the base, please let me know. So first hit and last hit in the break get the spots in bonus box break 20. So from the bonus pack, getting a spot in bonus box break number 20. Owner of the Chicago Blackhawks. That's Felix, Victoria. A nice stick jersey of Patrick Sharp. Congrats, Phyllis. And that also gets you a spot in bonus box break 20. So box is empty. Alright, pack number 1. Looks like we're going to start off with our rookie treasure. It's a thick one. Base. Rookie treasure goes to the Toronto Maple Leafs and All for Kinds. Chuck, you got Matt Fratton out of $4.99. He's a member of your Kings now. Base. base, Pinnacle rookie for the Anaheim Ducks. And that's Felix Victoria. Tough one to read. Looks like it's Irutarki. Pinnacle rookie. Yeah, I think Fratton's going to do well in LA as well. Base. As long as he stays healthy, he's a good player. Whitney, Price, Thornton, base. I'll have to random this one off. We got a rookie rivalry between the Philadelphia Flyers, Tivoth 88, and the Pittsburgh Penguins. DJ Nell's mom, Sean Couturier, and Brian Strait. So we'll do that one at the end. Base. Base. For the Florida Panthers. And all for kinds, Pinnacle rookie of Brian Foster. Spacer, a couple more base. Base for the Buffalo Sabres. Pinnacle rookie going to DJ Nell's mom, Marcus Foligno. Base. Another Anaheim hit. Out of 999, Calder contender rookie for Felix Victoria, Irutarki. Phyllis, you always know the teams to take. Base. Rick Nash, base. Jamie Benn, base. Private signings. Rookie private signings for the Carolina Hurricanes. And all for kinds, Justin Falk. Base. 3 packs left. Base. Another rookie rivalry to random off between Vancouver. And that is all for kinds with Cody Hodgson. And Chicago, Felix Victoria with Brandon Saad. Base. Kipper base. Kovalchuk base for the Nashville Predators. Rookie royalty going to Tivoth 88, Ryan Fang. Base and final pack, so the hit in this pack gets the second spot in bonus box break 20. And it is the Minnesota Wild. That's all for kind, so Chuck spot for you, bonus box break 20. Courtesy of Pinnacle rookie Jared Palmer. And base. So 2 cards to random off. And then we'll move on to the bonuses. So we'll start with the Vancouver Chicago. So Vancouver numbered 1 to 15, 16 to 30 will be Chicago. So it rolls on 18. So 18 is the Chicago Blackhawks. And that's Felix Victoria. Second one, numbers 1 to 15. Philly, 16 to 30, Pittsburgh. That one landed on the number 7. So that goes to the Philadelphia Flyers. And Philly was Tivoth 88. Alright, we'll sign our no-hit bonus cards. So once again we got, just like last night, a pair of goalies. First one from Draft Prospects and the Edmonton Oil King, Tristan Jarry. And joining that will be another Masked Men 3, and this one is Kipper. So pick out a chip. If that team did receive a hit, we'll move on to the next one. So no hit bonus cards. The Calgary Flames. Calgary did not receive a hit in the break. I don't think. Yeah, no hit. No hit for the Calgary Flames, so all for kind. So Chuck, pair of bonus cards coming your way. Alright, let's assign our 3 scratch and win cards starting lineup. So first one, the Flames again. Alright, we're going to pass again. We put another Calgary. The New Jersey Devils. And the Florida Panthers. So we'll start with Calgary. All for kinds. Another one for you. It's an Ottawa Senator, Chuck. Jason Spezza. That'll be a decent one. New Jersey and Aaron. Another one to add to your team. Marion Gaborik in the Columbus Blue Jackets. And the Florida Panthers, which were also all for kinds. Kevin Bieksa in the Vancouver Canucks. So the Oilers were the VIP team of the break. No Oilers hit in the break. So sorry, Jack, no VIP bonus this time around. Alright, so we'll move on to our final bonus, and that is Deal or No Deal. So playing Deal or No Deal tonight will be the New York Islanders. And that is all for kinds. And I don't think Chuck is watching live, so we'll have to roll for him. So we'll roll the die for Chuck. Whatever tin So the tin he'll get, so numbers 1 to 5 will be tin number 1, 6 to 10 number 2, etc., etc. So for Chuck, not around to play Deal or No Deal. So it lands on number 9. So tin number 9. So number 9, so that'll be tin number 2 for you, Chuck. So whatever's in tin 2 will be in your next package. Of course, the very bottom. So tin number 2, Deal or No Deal for Chuck. Not around to play. We rolled the die for you. And you are getting a slab card. So Ultimate Mem 12th edition, To the Hall Auto Silver, numbered 8 out of 29 of Danny Gare. So congrats, Chuck. Hope you enjoy that one. So that ends it for this break, guys.